Welcome to our channel. If Instacart isn't working or you're experiencing checkout errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps or websites to ensure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Close the Instacart app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, force stop it through Settings. Step 3. Update the Instacart app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instacart, and Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Restart your device completely to clear any temporary system errors affecting the app. Step 6. Verify your delivery address is correct and within Instacart's service area for the store you're shopping from. Step 7. Check your payment method in account settings. Ensure your credit card or debit card information is valid and up to date. Step 8. Try a different payment method if your card is being declined. Add another card or try using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Step 9. Ensure items in your cart are still available. Some items may be out of stock, which can cause checkout errors. Step 10. Try completing your order through the Instacart website instead of the app to see if it's an app-specific issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.